Hey everybody, welcome to another video here on the 67 Stang channel. Just a quick update, so let's get started. Okay, it's been a long time since I posted any videos, and I mentioned that was going to be the case because, well, really don't have a lot I can do at the present moment. Plus the weather's not been very conducive. It's winter after all, and I don't really have heaters. I'm in Georgia, so don't have heaters for the garage, and it's just cold for me. For those of y'all that are up in the north somewhere, where I heard here it's been, like 0 degrees and negative degrees Fahrenheit and all that stuff. You laugh when, to me, if it gets below 40, it starts to get cold. But I'm a southern boy. Hey, it is what it is. So did think I'd do a quick little update video. I have done a little bit, also talk about other things that I want to do coming up soon. And then maybe we'll take the old girl out for a drive. So I'm going to bring you over here, show you a little bit of what I've done, and talk about some future things, and we'll go from there. Okay, so really what I've been focusing on, or the little bit I have done, is really kind of cleaning up some of the wiring for the Sniper. I've gone ahead and put wire loom around a lot of things here that you can see. For one, give it a cleaner look, as well as to give it some protection so it's not rubbing on anything or whatnot. I still have a little bit I want to do, like I want to pull this up here, get it a little bit up further off of that, maybe something like that. But I don't have the clip I need to do that with. But you can see where I've done, see the wire loom here and up and around there, and then this one here, and then again you can see that one there, and then so this one I've wrapped actually around through, see if I can get some more light in there, through there and up. It's kind of hard to see, but if I can get the light in there. There we go, sort of better kind of. Anyway, so I've been working on that. Again, not a whole lot in there, just trying to tidy things up a little bit. Worked on separating spark plugs out, or plug wires a bit. So again, really all I've done on there just to get her going. So that's kind of what I've been tinkering with here or there as weather permitted. The other weekend, not Mustang related, there's my wife's car, but I don't know if you can see that. I've also pruned the heck out of my magnolia tree so I could get some sunlight through to hopefully grow grass this summer. So anyway, back to the car. So what am I looking at doing next? Well, one of the things I noticed when I was down underneath the car one day and is the fact my emergency brake or hand brake or whatever you want to call it is not working. And that's partially because when I replaced the floor pans, so I get down under the car, bring some light down here, I had to rework the cables because I had to, I don't know if you can see that bracket over there, and then there's this one up over here. When I replaced the floor pans, right, I had to cut those off the old rusted out pan, and then re-weld them to the new floor pans. Well, never really got around to adjusting the cables, and I also noticed that the little, let's see if I can get this in. So there's some U-bolts like that clamp those cables together. And then there's, let's see, I don't know if you can see that one over there or not. Yeah, there it is. Well, that one broke off. So I've got new ones of those clamps to put on there. And then I need to work on adjusting that. So I have a working emergency brake, because as of right now, I don't. Not a fully functioning one, so I'm going to have to work on that. So that's one of the next things I'm going to do. I have the parts for it now, so that's a good thing. Get up here. The other thing y'all may have noticed a couple of times when you've seen the car from the front is the alignment on this car, is completely shot. And I'm not sure if you can tell it from this angle or not, but that tire is kicked way out this way. So I need to get it pulled in. So anyway, I'm going to take it. I'm going to try to do a little bit of an alignment on it myself. May film that. But then I'm going to take it to a shop here that's not too far in a little town called Monroe that does custom suspension work and work on getting it good and aligned. Because that's really what's keeping me from doing any other, long driving on it, is the alignment's completely shot on it. Okay for driving it around the neighborhood, but not so much there. Then the other thing I have is right here is a rebuild kit. Rebuild kit for the steering box, which is that thing right there. So it's got a lot of play in it. The steering wheel, not to mention I need to straighten the steering wheel, but steering wheel has a lot of slop in it without moving the wheel. So we're going to do that. But anyway, so there's your quick update. So let's get her fired up and take her for a spin. Just gonna go right around the neighborhood. You want to join me? Okay, well, just park on the street or behind the truck or wherever. So, love you too, darling. Will do. So that was a pretty good spin around the neighborhood and the old girl. I really enjoy taking her out. The alignment may not be perfect, but she's still fun to drive. I mean, there's just nothing like one of these old cars from the 60s and probably the 50s, maybe the 40s. I've never driven one, but really do enjoy getting her out, moving around. She's just, you feel it, right? Anybody who's driven one of these classic cars can appreciate how much fun it is, because you feel the road, you know what you're doing. It's really just a wonderful experience. So with that, guys, I hope you've enjoyed the video. I hope you've enjoyed the update. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you have comments, suggestions, and all that good stuff, please make sure to leave them down below. I really enjoy hearing what y'all think and getting ideas and all those wonderful things. So with that, guys, I'll see y'all in the next video.